There comes Mango. She just loud. What are you doing in there, Mango? You just love your soup? Are you reading them? Hmm? What you doing? We bring her in the other corner and she is there, passing it with the soup. Just all these goods, maybe a different color that he like. Maybe all this thing up here, he just love. He love all these cans in here that is a different color. Oh gosh, I have to uh, arrange this. Mango, could you help me arrange that? Could you help me arrange because you really liking and reading it there? Yeah. Oh, really? You like that soup, huh? You are just so funny with all that. Oh, really? He is really staring in there. That is so funny. You like that soup? Mhm. That's our Mango. Getting perky now.